Good morning. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My talk will address our experience and the approach or the way to innovation that we have started from the university research group in the Polytechnic University of Valencia. So, first of all, a few words to identify where we are and who we are. TSB, Tecnologías para la Salud y el Bienestar, is a research group which is a member of a research institute. Research institutes are organizations within the Polytechnic University of Valencia that are fully dedicated to research and technology transfer. Itaca is, in this moment, in the year 2007, is the number one in the ranking produced by the university in terms of revenue contracts and international projects and patents. An important number of those institutes in the Polytechnic University of Valencia are members of the Polytechnic City of Innovation. This is a kind of umbrella that contains a number of these research groups, institutes, with the main objective to create a critical mass to foster all the resources, capabilities, in order to improve the potentiality of transfer into the industry, into the society. So the Ithaca Institute, as I said, is a research and development entity which is located in one of the biggest facility that has been built in this university with the purpose to host these institutes. And they have 5 main units, which are the digital and electronic systems, high-performance computing, telecommunication system, ICT system in health, and industrial application of electromagnetism. We belong to the 4th one, so the ICT systems in healthcare. Within this unit, TSB is the most, I shouldn't say the most, but it is a reality, the most active and bigger group in terms not only in permanent staff, but also in activity in research programs. So we have in this moment about 45 people in average at the end of 2007, and it's a multidisciplinary team. Basically technical staff and medical staff. Our activities are focused on competitive European and national R&D projects. We are very willing to enter in agreement with companies, both of SME as well as big industries. We also have an important activity in relation with public administration, particularly in the health sector, but not only in the health sector. And we have our own solutions and deployments activities. So there are 2 main research areas from the business strategy perspective within the TSB group. And since a couple of years ago, we started introducing wording that is more related with companies than the traditional research centers. And we are talking about business strategy units within our research group, which is usually uncommon and not used in the university and academic environment. Nothing to say about using the word marketing. We have basically e-health and inclusion. These are two main branches where we are dedicated all our research efforts since the last 10 years. And focus as we are a technological research center, we are focused on basically 5 technological lines when we have been developing our own competencies. In information system platforms, wireless communication, knowledge management, ambient intelligence, and user experience. That is the last unit that has been incorporated in our catalog of technologies interest. As I said, TSB has a large experience participating in international and national research programs in the e-health and inclusion field, including management of large consortia. So we, together with other colleagues in Spain, have a big number of share, a big number of the revenue that is produced, that is come back from Europe to Spain in terms of participation in the R&D programs. So this is just to show what has been our main activity since 2004. 2004, this is starting of the 6th framework program. We are working in Europe since the 4th framework program, but this is an old history, and I want to just to show as an example of the activity that we have performed in the last 4 years. In the very big and important IP projects, and some of them have been mentioned several times during this workshop, and obviously we are incorporated to the new IP projects and in the current 7th framework program. We also have an important activity at national level. When I say important, I mean in terms of participation in now big equivalent to IP projects that are funded by the National Research Council and funded by the Ministry of Industry, Ministry and Education and Health. So this is to show the introduction and to set the scene where we start and what has been the background for the approach that I said that I want to tell you towards innovation. In the last 4 years, we can account for a total investment in R&D in our group of 6 million euros. For a standard research group in the technical universities in Spain is a quite large figure. I don't say the bigger, but it's a quite large figure. You can see that the relative weight of the European funds and project is very important, 66% almost. And the national are distributed in the different sections that I mentioned in my slide before. What is interesting to say is that we made an assessment of the value of the results achieved in those projects since 2004 till December 2007, according to the effective investment produced injected in the production of knowledge, in the production of evidence of science, and we can evaluate this, we call the present value of 3.5 million euros. That is the value of licensed patents at the end of the period.